So if you're like me and you have rugs around your house, how do you keep them from moving around? So if you have a robot vacuum cleaner or you have a toddler, how do you keep these in place? Well, today I'm going to show you how these little carpet pads keep the carpet from sliding around and how it's going to help you maintain order in your house. Peel this. Now we're going to place this down, so now you can see it's not moving. If you're tired of rugs and carpets slipping and sliding all over your floors, whether it's kitchen, living room, or bedrooms, these carpet stickers are here to help. They're going to keep your carpets firmly in place no matter how much foot traffic you have. Stay tuned for the whole video to see how they work and why they're a perfect solution for your home. So this constantly happens every day. I have to go and line this carpet. Even though I bought this doesn't do anything. I got this at a dollar store. And even though it seems like it's working, it's not really working. I always want to adjust this just so it's in one place, but the robot and my little guy keeps moving the carpet. So we decided to get these. These are basically little pieces of vinyl with a double adhesive that you can stick to the floor, whether it's laminate, tile, and it's going to stop this from moving. Now we've gotten this thinking this is going to solve the problem, but it clearly doesn't. Maybe in the drawers. So we're going to go and put these on the edges and see if this will help. So the black end goes on the rug or the carpet, and we're going to stick this pretty close to the edge like that. Now most carpets have some sort of a padding or some sort of a material that is rubbery. Like these are little plasticky rubbery dots. It's supposed to keep it from sliding, but again, we have quite slippery tiles. So we're gonna go and add it on that, and then the other two. And then we just simply peel this. Now we're gonna place this down and try to make sure that this is all kind of straight. Yes. So press that on. Straighten this part out. There we go. So now you can see that it's not moving. And then we got to do the same thing for here. And remember, we're only doing this for a litter guy and for a vacuum cleaner. So once you have 4, you should be good. If for whatever reason it's not enough, just get a couple more of those. Those are super inexpensive, and then just add like 2 more. So yeah, that's basically how to stop a carpet or a rug from moving. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.